Unboxing, we find a 704 storage case, a couple 704 stickers, a cleaning cloth, and the knife. G10 handle. A fiberglass and epoxy resin handle that should be extremely durable and hard to break. It has some weight to it, coming in at about 5 ounces. Slope handle. Mild texturing but enough for a good grip. Reversible pocket clip, which I'll put on the other side so it's not against my hand while holding. You'll need a small T6 driver. Open assist works very smooth. I'm assuming blade pivot is ball bearing by the feel. D2 steel is generally very strong and durable. Drop point blade, a good general purpose blade that's useful for controlled cuts and a strong point. Thick spine, mild jimping, and blade looks good. Sharp enough blade. Very nice EDC tool.
So I had the Tanto 704. Yeah, durable, really good. I have used it in a whole lot of things, and it keeps its sharpness. And then I got this guy, which opens way smoother, and I love how much bigger it is. And again, so you can have an idea right here. Super sharp, like I said, easy to open, close. And I like that your pocket clip is all the way up. Like you don't have the space, like it's all hiding all the way up. So thumbs up to 704. Very affordable and nice looking, works.
Okay, so I received this knife, it's been a few weeks now, and I brought it to work with me every day. I bought the Civivi Praxis knife also, which seems like it's almost an identical clone, but even the action on it is super smooth, closes easy, and I mean, I paid 20 bucks for it, $19.99, and even the finish on here, I mean, I've been using it at work, like I said, every day, but even the finish on here is a little bit better than the Civivi. I don't know how, I don't know if it's going to last as long, but it's a really good value, I think. I would definitely recommend buying one.